Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art where you can pretty much learn to draw anything and we make it easy, okay? Today we're going to work on drawing a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern. Since it's getting to be about Halloween time, October, so we're going to do a Halloween jack-o'-lantern today, okay? Make sure you're prepared for art, make sure you have a nice piece of paper or something to draw on. Make sure you have a pencil with a good eraser or some sort of eraser. We're also going to have a marker for our outline, our Sharpie, a black marker will do. And then just make sure you guys have your colors. Today we're going to have orange, yellow, and black. Nice Halloween colors. Alright? And probably some green in there too. I forgot for the stem. So we'll put some green in there for the stem. Okay? Alright, so let's get started, guys. So first grab your pencil. We're going to make the outside of the pumpkin. Okay? So we're gonna just kind of make a big C shape, okay? A big C shape. Okay, so we'll start in the middle of your paper and just kind of nice C shape. Okay, nice and easy, C shape. And then what we're gonna do is kind of put a little dip right there, a little really small dip, and then we're gonna do another C shape on the opposite side, okay? So dip here, let's do this dip down here, it's like the bottom of the pumpkin, and then we're gonna do another big C shape, okay? And don't worry if yours doesn't look perfect, because pumpkins are not perfect, okay? So it's okay if you have this, mine's not perfect, I have this little side here. It's alright, no worries, pumpkins are not perfect. So we got our pumpkin shape basically here. Let's put our stem on it. We're gonna just do a slight line up. Our stem's gonna be leaning to the left or right. If you guys want, you can do it straight on top. So we can just do whatever we want here. Let's do a line straight up. Another line over here, straight up. And then a line across to connect them. Perfect. Okay, we can do some lines in here for the pumpkin stem. One here, and maybe a small one here. All right, here we go. Let's do the eyes of our jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. So we're gonna make triangle eyes today. You guys can make any eyes you want, but we're gonna do triangle today. So right about here, make two decently sized triangles. One there. All right, in the middle of our pumpkin is going to be where that dip is. That's kind of like the center, so make sure we're on the other side of that. Make the same size eye here. Perfect. Our nose, I'm going to keep a same triangle. So we'll do a smaller triangle in the middle for the nose. And then our smile, we're going to make a happy pumpkin today. So I'm going to do a smile with two front teeth. So we'll start on this side, a little bit past the eye. We'll make a nice smile line down. Right about here, we'll start our tooth. So we'll do a square down, over, and up. There's one tooth. We'll keep our smile going. On the other side of the nose, we'll do the other tooth. Down, over, and up. And then keep our smile going up to there. It's fine. Now we'll come down and we're just going to do a full curved line for the bottom of his mouth. Beautiful. Nice, guys. All right, now just so it looks like the jack-o'-lantern's been cut out, so we'll kind of give that 3D effect. We're gonna go to the eyes and the nose and the mouth and just add that 3D effect. So here, we'll go to the eyes. And we're just gonna kind of draw a line straight down this side of the triangle. It looks like it's been cut out. We'll do the same thing here. Go. Same thing here on the nose. Now the mouth is going to be a little bit more difficult with that. So we'll just start up here about a little bit in from the top of the mouth, right about here, and we'll bring it down, and we're going to come to a point. So we're not going to go all the way across. We're going to go to kind of the middle here. Down and just slowly get smaller and smaller with his smile. Until it comes to a point and gone. Beautiful. Now we're going to do shadow on this side, because you'd be seeing this side of the tooth. Straight line down. This side of the tooth. Straight line down. Okay. We won't want to go all the way down to the same as the bottom. We're going to go a little bit above from where the bottom of the tooth was. So we're going to just connect it here. Connect it here. There we go. Perfect. All right, now just so we make sure it looks like a pumpkin, we can just put those pumpkin lines in. So from the center, we're just going to come down and kind of mimic that C shape. So we'll just do one here, light line down to the middle. Another one on this side, down to the middle. And then one more here, one more here. If it goes to an eye, we don't want to go through it. We want to just stop. So stop, keep going, stop, and then into the middle. Again, into the eye, stop, keep going, stop at the mouth, into the middle. And we can just do one more line right down the middle here. Kind of a curve to it. Just to show that this is a pumpkin. Beautiful. All right, great. Now we're gonna do our outline with our marker. So everybody get your marker. I'm gonna fast forward through that and then do some coloring. Fast forward through that and then we'll be back when we're done. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we're done. All colored up. Beautiful jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. I hope your guys' came out just as good, if not better than mine. And I hope you have a good rest of your day and you keep drawing. So I hope you can take it easy.